Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine, located in Burnsville, Minnesota. We got another 4-stroke engine here for sale. This one is a 2000 Yamaha 115 4-stroke fuel injection. It is too old to get the hours off of. We tried, it just doesn't have it. It's first gen fuel injection. So this one is a 25 inch and it was originally a 20 inch. We can pull the extension out if you do need a 20 inch and not a 25. Compression came back at 210 psi on all 4 cylinders. It'll come with the aluminum prop that is on it. Let's see here, new spark plugs, new impeller, new oil filter, new engine oil, new gear lube, and fuel system has been gone through. We'll go ahead and get this one fired up. Pumping good water. Tilt and trim. I do have to be careful with this one. It is a 25 inch. I don't want to bust a hole in the bottom of the tank. It's been a little while since I've had to say that. Go ahead and put it forward. Back to neutral. Reverse. Back neutral. Go ahead and shut it off. Fire back up. Forward. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.